Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum. This is Sajid, and you're watching my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to talk about in this video about like how to create a file in Java. So let's start. So you can create files in Java with createNewFile method. The method returns a boolean value that is true if the file was successfully created, and false if file already exists. Note that method is enclosed in a try catch block, and this is necessary because it throws an IOException. So if an error occurs, if the file cannot be created for some reason, right? So let's look at this code. So first of all, to start with, we need to import java.io package and file class and java.io IOException. This is important. Without this, we cannot move forward. So we have class create file, and that's our main method. And in the try, because it's the class throws IOException, so we need to put it in the try block. So we have try there. We are making an object of file class, and then we see if the file is created successfully, then we will write we will print out that file is created, and for some reason like file is not created, or if it does exist before, we will simply say a file already exists. So, and at the end we are catching the IOException, and if error comes in, we are printing it out, whatever like is the error is, so that we can look at this and troubleshoot. So guys, that's it. This is how we create a file in Java, right? And if you hear like important thing to memorize, or you can keep it, remember, is like you can use file method and create new file, right? So to create a file in Java. Okay, so let's move forward to, and then here we have seen like we just gave the file name, but if you want to create a file in certain specific directory, then you can give a full path name. For example, in Windows, here we are trying to create a file in C drive. Okay, C drive, and this is the path users my name and file name.txt, and we have created the file, and then we are checking its path as well, get absolute path, and if it's we have put it in again in try. I mean, this is the same old code we discussed in the last example. Only thing is now we are using an absolute path. Okay, so next go to write to a file. Now before we have seen like how to create a file, but that file is going to be an empty file, but and now we're gonna write some text into that file. So for this one we can use FileWriter and use its write method to write some data in it, and keep remember, once you are done writing the file, please close it at the end. So look at this example here. Let me show you the code. Yeah, so here we have to call or import java.io.FileWriter and IOException classes, and public static void main. Here we have FileWriter, my new FileWriter, and this is the file we created. Okay, and then you have to use write you can say method, and whatever you need to write you can put here. Files in Java might be tricky, but it is fun enough. So this is the statement we are going to write into that file, and then we are closing the file, and here we are saying if up to here everything goes smooth, then we are printing successfully wrote to the file. And here we have the outcome of this program, and when we executed this program, all things went well and successfully wrote to the file is printed. Okay, so here I'm gonna wrap up my video. Here important thing is you keep remember FileWriter class, and other is file class, and these are present in java.io package. So whenever you have to create some file and write some text data into them, you can use these classes. So I hope this video has been informative for you. So do share it with your friends and colleagues. Share and subscribe the channel. I was Sajid, and I'll be back with another video soon covering another topic in Java. By that time, take care. Bye bye.